Hi everyone, David here, and today I am going to show you how to set up a video landing page within Leadsleap. And again, down on the left hand menu, down here where it says page builder, there is a page manager here. Just click on that page manager and it'll open up a new page for you. And as you can see, I have none created as yet, mainly because I deleted the one that I've done a little bit earlier. So we'll go to add a new page, and you want to enter a page name for your own reference. So now this one is going to be for a lead magnet on the SEO blueprint. So I'm going to put in here SEO blueprint. And we'll go and add it now, and away we go. And it opens up this little section here which says here's your page ID, and we want to create one. So you need to add a new design to start. It's very simple. Look for this little box, click on it, and you want to click on add a blank page design. Later on we'll be showing you how you can get a share code off of myself or off of Craig for other pages that we've created before, but you want to start with add a blank page design. So off we go. So now it's opened up a blank page design and it says click this to start designing. Nice and easy. Let's launch the editor, and it comes up, and the first page that you're going to come to is a load of templates for different kinds of landing pages that you may like. I particularly like this one here, which has the video landing page. There's another video landing page here. Is there another one on there that I can see? Not I can see. So there's only a couple of options that you can choose, but I like this one, so I'm going to choose this template. So it's updating the editor, and there it comes, and it does set up a basic template for you. And it says straight away, important next step, click it now. Now in a previous video I showed you how to set up an email list. This is what it's going to do. So you want to choose a list manager. So you're going to choose a list manager, and you're going to use the SendSteed, which is actually Leadsleap own list manager. So we'll use that one. And it says here enter the list ID, but if you know the list ID, great, you can just put the ID in there, but the easiest way is to get the list ID. Click on that little blue thing here, and I've got two lists, one for SEO and one for traffic. I want the SEO list, so I'm going to click on it, and it puts in the list ID for you. Now it does have here a redirect URL immediately after the opt-in. Ignore that one, because you're going to control that from within the email list that you created earlier. And that is as much as you need to do with the list. But you want to go back up to the template, to be honest with you. So let's go back to the template. Oops, it's already done that, so we want to choose this one again. Sorry about that. And you can see that the list is now done. It's got the list ID in there, so if anybody signs up on here, it's going to go into the list that you created previously. As you can see, there's not much that you need to do. So the only thing to do is to change the heading on the top here. Now you cannot edit it from the screen itself. All the editing options are on the right hand side here, down in here. So you can see here you can edit this quite happily. So this one is about the SEO. So what are we going to do? I'll tell you what we will do. I did do a search earlier on Bard, so we might be able to find some kind of heading to put in there quite easily. Let's go and see. Well, there we go. We can use that one right there. On page SEO for beginners. That's pretty much what it is. The blueprint. So we're going to copy that, go back to Leadsleap, and we can actually put this inside this area here. Okay, so we've cheated and used bar to give us a title. We'll paste in. Okay, and there we go. On page SEO for beginners, a step-by-step guide to improving your website search engine ranking. All right, nothing wrong with that title. It's perfectly good, and really it's good to go. Okay, now we've got the video placeholder, so we click on the video placeholder here, and you will see across on this right hand side, okay, it's actually got a YouTube iframe embed. Okay, it's the embed code that you get from YouTube for your video. Now I've already created a video to introduce this ebook. Okay, so we'll pop along to YouTube. This is it, on page SEO blueprint, boost your website visibility. It's 2 minutes long. All right, doesn't need to be very long. It's just a very, very simple introduction. Okay, and to get the embed code, we click on this share button. Okay, and we click on embed, and there's your code right here. Just click on it once, it all goes blue to highlight the whole lot. Right click and copy it. We can now close that embed code, and we can go back over here and change this iframe to the embed code that we've just done. We'll paste it in. Okay, now to make it change in here, all you got to do is click anywhere on here, just left click on anywhere in the grey area, and it will change the video to the one you've just done. Right, and there's a problem, if you like. It's not really a problem. All you have to do, okay, to get this to align itself again, pick the video, okay, and you can resize it to fit back into exactly where you want it. And that's not exactly aligned, so what we're going to do is we're going to align it. Oops, there we go. Let's align it nicely, just bring it down a little bit so it's in there. Okay, and that's it. Okay, nicely aligned on the page. It's all good. Next thing we're looking at, okay, this is a limited time offer. I'm going to show you a little trick you can do with this limited time offer. Okay, you can actually put a little piece of code in there. So limited time offer, get a free copy of this amazing book. Okay, free copy of this amazing book. Let's change the word amazing to this informative. Okay, get a free copy of this informative book. Yeah, it's kind of a book, it's an ebook really, so we'll put an E on in front of it. There we go. Get a free copy of this informative ebook. Okay, that's already set up for you, okay, because of this list here. That will be all done for you. If you want to change what's inside these boxes, okay, instead of your@email.com, okay, you can change that. You can see where it says input placeholder. You can change that to say anything you like, the text font size, what kind of text font you want, etc. Okay, and I would probably change the name. Okay, the input name is name, but I want the input placeholder to put full name. Just like that. Click anywhere in the grey and it changes to full name like that. Okay, and claim your free book now. Again, it's not really a book, it's an ebook. Okay, so we'll change that to ebook. Again, we're doing all the editing on the right hand side. I don't particularly like free being all lowercase. Okay, so let's highlight free, and we're going to make it all capitals. Claim your free ebook now. Okay, and that is as simple as you can get it. Okay, but like I said, this is limited time offer here. Okay, now we can actually do something on here that will allow you to put a little timer in on this screen. Okay, so you can add rows whenever you like. So if you need more information, you want to put more information in here, that's absolutely fine, and you do it by using on this left hand side. Okay, well, let's just show you the background side of things at the moment. Okay, so this is the background. Okay, it's using a current image. You can change the background image. I particularly like that background image, so I'm not going to change it at all, but you can edit the background to an image that you've got that is hosted somewhere. Okay, no need to play with that right now, to be honest with you, but we do want to add a row. Okay, so I'm going to add a new row, and we're going to add a 1 column row. Okay, not a 2 column, not a 3 column row, and we're not going to put the dedicated row for an ad widget. You can probably only use that if you're a pro member anyway, but we're going to add a single column row, and it's added that row at the bottom here. Okay, so within this row now you can add elements. Okay, you can add text in there, you can put a hyperlink element in there, icon elements, okay, a background element, so you can change the background within that row. Okay, you can add an image in there if you want to. You can just put a line in there. You can add custom code in here if you really want to. You can add a button in here. Okay, you can add an input field element, so you can add other stuff like you know, you could put a phone number in there if you want. I particularly don't want to use that, but I do like this end one here, which is add a countdown. Okay, so we're going to put a countdown timer in here to evoke some urgency into the page. So I'm going to click on it, and there it goes. It's actually added it in here. Okay, now you can see it's aligned left. Okay, so we're going to put it into the center. Where are we here? Let's just have a look what themes we've got, and I want to put it into the center. Come on, where is the central bit? I did find it earlier, and now I can't seem to find it at all. Type, no, we don't want any kind of animation on it. Countdown timer. Let's have a look at this. Sort of move the hedge. Oh, actually, I forgot about this. You can actually pick it up. Okay, you can pick it up and move it to the middle. Okay, so we'll just pick it up, drop it in the middle. Okay, nice and simple. And you can set also how the number of days, hours, minutes or seconds that you want. Okay, so this, I know that this video is 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to give them 3 minutes, okay, to fill this out. Okay, once it's filled out, okay, then it's going to go to somewhere else. Okay, so what am I going to put in here? They're going to go to, okay, when the countdown ends, I'm going to take them across to the Facebook group. Okay, so let's go to Easy Marketing Gold. We'll just use that and copy that. Go over here, and when the countdown ends, go to here. Okay, we're going to take them across to the Facebook group. That's what we're going to do. So literally this page, you've got 3 minutes, okay, to get things done, or it's going to flip off and go to any page that you'd like to go to. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, just quickly, so we can see how this is working, I'm going to save this. Okay, work saved, and we'll go and see the full preview of it. Okay, to see how it actually looks on the page. Looks quite good, and you can see the countdown, 3 minutes, that's all you're going to get. Okay, I might increase that a little bit actually. I'll tell you what, I will increase it a little bit. Let's do that. Let's give them 5 minutes just to play nicely. Okay, we'll give them 5 minutes. Okay, and we'll save it. Okay, and let's go to the full preview. Here is the actual page in preview mode. Okay, and you can see it's counted down. You've got 5 minutes. That's it. Okay. Also on this preview page, you can see here it's got this made with Leadsleap. Okay, down in the bottom right hand corner. We can actually get rid of that. As pro members, you can get rid of it. If you're using the free version of Leadsleap, I'm afraid you're stuck with it. Okay, but we can get rid of that little piece of advertising. Now again, I have to remember how the heck I did that. It's not the countdown timer we want, it's actually to do with another piece here, page background settings. I do apologize for this, I seem to have misplaced it completely. Page and contact backgrounds only, other elements, we don't want that. Let's go to the, don't want to go to the template. Let's go to the list, back to the template. Okay, I seem to have messed up there completely, so what we'll do is we'll go back, we'll close the template. There we go, we'll close it back out here. And like I said, at the moment it's got the made with Leadsleap. Okay, there is a way to get rid of it. Right now it completely and utterly slips my mind how to do it. Oh, here we go. It's right here. I don't know what's the matter with me. Okay, so section 5, made with Leadsleap. Okay, so as a pro member you can actually hide that made with Leadsleap. Okay, so you just click it and it'll hide it, save it, go to the preview now, and you will see that that made with Leadsleap has disappeared off of the page. And that is it. That's the landing page. It's nice and simple. Don't need anything more than that, to be honest with you. Job done. It doesn't need to be any more complex than that. Okay, so always, I don't know why, I've got this thing, always save your work. Okay, so the work has been saved. Okay, and when we go back to the page manager, okay, and we can, it's now, what it's actually saying is now, can you see that the page has been done? All right, it's now actually saying to you, activate this design, and it is as simple a thing as clicking on this inactive status here, ching, and boom, it's gone active. Okay, so we can go and take a look at it if you like. I'll do one more thing. I'll tell you what, let's launch the editor one more time. Okay, so you can actually see it. Okay, and when we go to the full preview, this is another little tip for you. It will actually give you what this page is going to look like on a tablet. Just like that. So on a tablet, this is how it's going to look. And on a mobile, this is how it's going to look. Okay, so that's another nice little feature that this page builder has got. We'll close that down. So it's all done, ready to go. Again, I'm saving my work. Close it down. Let's go back to the, and it is ready to go. Okay, now to point people to go to that page, you've got two choices. There is the pro version, the premium version. Okay, with this link here, so I'm going to use this one. Okay, so we can copy that if we want to. Okay, and so this is where you actually want them to go to, is to this link right here. And in another video I'm going to show you how you can do fancy things with that link. Okay, with that link within the link tracker. Okay, the link tracker is an awesome piece of kit, does all sorts of stuff. Okay, so that's it. That's how to create a video landing page with Leadsleap. Very simple, not complicated at all. Anybody can do it. If you get stuck, come and give me a shout, and I'll see you on the next video.